Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you can see that we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space. You can see that you are able to raise and lower this section via that hook. And if you wish to, you can fold down those rear seats to increase this capacity even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly, the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, you can see the speedometer, as well as a digital readout for the speedometer as well. On the right-hand side, we then have the rev counter. And it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment, of course. You can change the information that's displayed in this central section. So you can see there that you're able to access your satellite navigation information. You can also change to the trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 21,194. And accessing that information is all done using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel just here. Over on the left-hand side, we have cruise control, and in the center, the main touchscreen. So we have one physical button down the bottom. Everything else is touchscreen, including your satellite navigation, which is, as you can see, Google Maps. Really lovely, clear system. Very, very easy to use. Massive screen area as well. Back to the home screen from here, you can access your audio menu, where you can listen to DAB, FM radio. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And as you can see, this car's got Apple CarPlay once you've connected your phone. We have a car status and notification menu. And then down the bottom here, we have our climate control menu. So you can firstly determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. The car, you can have the car decide for you by hitting auto. You can control the fan speed from here as well. You can also turn your air conditioning on and off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperatures you set, which are adjusted just here. So passenger, driver. Very, very easy to do. On top of all of that, we've got, as you can see, a full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo and a few physical buttons for heated rear screen, for example, stereo controls, your hazard warning lights. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, wireless phone charging on this pad just here, 2 cup holders, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and this dial is what starts and stops the engine. So that is now the car switched off and back on again. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new, and then the service book as well. So you have your pre-delivery inspection just there, and then it services for 2023 and 2024, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.